What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are finally putting the Gen 5 3-liter Whipple on the 15 GT that actually came off of that car. That car had about 1,500 miles on the blower. I went ahead and picked it up from him when he changed over to the VMP Odin, and we are sticking it on the 15 GT. Now, it did come off a Gen 3 car. We are sticking it on a Gen 2 car. There are a few things we're going to have to do to make it work, but I did contact Whipple, and they told me what to take care of. Anyway, it's got a 132 throttle body. It's got the upgraded Whipple heat exchanger, and of course, it's got the Stage 2 Whipple with the 3 intercooler bricks in it. So, highly looking forward to seeing what the car is going to do. We are going to be on 93 just for a little bit, guys, trying to get the car ready for Ford takeover. So I don't have enough time to order the fuel system, get it in, and get it installed. But we are going to go ahead and put the 1050X injectors in and do all that. So they're already in the car for when the fuel system goes in. We're good to go. We are going to be going with a 4 fuel system, and I'll do a video on that when we go to install everything. But for now, we're going to be on 93 octane, and we're going to push for 700 to 730 horsepower and go from there. Now, the car is going to be on a 6 rib right now. I had a 10 rib set up for the car, but with a 10 rib, I was looking around 15, 16 pounds of boost with a 20% over and a 3.875 upper. And I wanted to be able to put the car between 93 and 85 when I do go 85. So I did go to the 6 rib, but the 6 rib will serve its purpose. So, guys, let's get to it. So here we are. We got the Whipple on. It is all ready to go, and I ran into an issue with the throttle body. Pony 1992 is coming over here with his car. Now, he has a 132 throttle body Whipple on his 15 to 17 car that he is going to let me borrow to data log the car so we can get it running. We do have another person that's coming into town that is bringing me a Gen 2 throttle body. Bunch of things going on here, guys. We are going to have the car at Ford takeover if everything goes right. But huge shout out to Pony 1992 for coming and letting me borrow his throttle body, guys. So when he gets here, we'll pick this video back up. We got Xander 13 sitting here, guys, and show us the shirt.
Defund the EPA.
Hey. You boys looking for a throttle body.
We need your throttle body. Now here's you got one. Came all the way from South Carolina to bring it to him. I'll tell you what.
South Carolina sauce.
Oh man, look at that mullet, dude. Awesome. Look at that mullet.
Awesome.
Have you hit 2,000 subscribers yet?
No.
Guys, right now, if you're watching this video, please stop. Go subscribe to Pony 1992. Link down in the description. He is allowing me to use his throttle body to be able to data log the car for Daryl, to be able to get the car ready for Ford takeover. We got another one that's gonna be here tomorrow afternoon to go on the car that I can use. A lot of people coming through to make this happen, and I appreciate every one of them. So Pony, that's yeah, so the deal was he needed to be 2,000 subscribers to grow a mullet out for Ford takeover. He didn't hit 2,000 subscribers, but he still did it.
Happening.
But he did it. He's got the mullet going. Oh, look at it. Yeah, there you go. And guys, look at this car. This is a badass car. Manual. He refuses to go auto. He's got the Magnum XL trans in it, fully built back here. I mean, it's fully built everywhere. This thing is so nice, guys. Look at it. So go check him out, guys, for all the content on this car. See, he's a race car, guys. Look at this. I'm getting parts from a race car.
That means I got lucky.
Ooh, wee, look at there. All right, guys. So we'll catch back up when we get this thing on the car. All right, let's see if this bad boy will fire up now. You got everything plugged back in, right?
Plug up the.
Hey, will you put that?
Yes. Did you plug up the?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's the flashlight? There it is. Go ahead.
Hey, what you doing?
Huge thanks for Pony. He came out. I was able to get some data logs in on the car, but he's gonna start this beast up. You guys, check that out. Go check out the Tournament Veteran. All right, you ready? Oh yeah. It's got full pipes exhaust. Pipes long tubes, pipes X-bomb cat bag. Sounds really good. She sounds good. Conversion. Man. Guys, go check out Pony 1992. Give him a subscribe. He's got a really good channel. Does all the work himself on the car and has done a phenomenal job of getting this thing ready. God, dog. Woo! That's loud, man. Man. That's what,
loud.
Yeah.
That's louder than a blue car.
you think? Let's see here. He's got it. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Gonna be out at Ford Takeover tomorrow for the dyno shootout, and then of course we're gonna be at the drag strip Saturday, so I'll be bringing you guys content from all that. But guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah. Turn that camera off in here. Yeah. Hang on, is it recording? Hold on. Wait. Oh, double shot. Whoop.